with me. This is Javaher from AI Javaher. Today we want to learn OOP on a deep level. If you want to learn more, subscribe my channel, and if you enjoy the rest of the video, give me a thumbs up. Here I create project class and init method and also some attributes here. And here I create a pro1 object from project class. If you don't know how to create a class, what is init method and what does it self do, and also how to create a pro1 object, you can check this video. Actually, it helps you to know all of them. Here I pass some variable into self name and self date. It doesn't need to pass actually workers because it is fixed here, but if you want to change it easily, you can change the other value, your desired value here. But if you don't pass anything, it doesn't matter. Also here I want to talk about different kind of attributes. These are instance attributes. It means that you can access by instance or object. Let me show you something. For example, print pro1.name or date or even workers. It doesn't different. You can access by instance actually. And also these kind of attributes are different from one object to the other object, because whenever you actually define any object, you should pass your desired value for these attributes. We have the other kind of attributes. It calls class attribute. Actually, it defined after a class name. For example, here boss, and I write it Jack here. And this kind of attributes is class attribute. You can actually access by class name, and it doesn't for example need to create an object first and then from the object you call the attribute. Just by class name you can access your class attributes, and these kind of attributes are same for all the objects. Okay, let me run it. Yes, all done. Now I want to talk about different kind of methods. The first one is instance method. As the name shows, you can access by the instance by the object. If you don't know how to access the instance method, you can check this video. The first parameter, the first argument of the instance method is usually self, and it refers into the object, and then it can take any number of arguments. The instance methods are most widely used in our classes, but we have the other methods here. As a class method, the first you should write class method decorator, and then for example write the other function, the other method for class method. The first argument is CLS, is the short of classes, and it's refer into the class actually. Okay, when we use a class method, whenever you want to access the method without create any object, use a class method. It helps you when you want to change some function or some variable for all objects. You can use a class method very easily. The first one, let me show you how to access here. Access the class method project for example budget easily. For example here. Let's talk about the other method. It is a static method. The first, you should use a static method decorator, and then for example look at here, neither self nor CLS, and actually the static method doesn't depend on any parameter and just print or return some static comment. Okay, these are different kind of methods: instance method, class method, and static method. Next video we talked about single inheritance and multi-inheritance by using super. Bye bye.